Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 141 Laravel 11 update product to cart example. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Lara underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, and this table is available product cart. This product cart inside this is a show. This list is a for product is a show, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory. Inside this project Laravel 11 underscore real estate. This is a project. This project is already open. This my sublime text detail. Let's run this project. Means cmd run. This is a command prompt directory. Inside this open this project directory. Inside this command prompt open successfully. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Please wait, this project is a run. This is a latest version. This add to product cart update successfully working fine. This is a latest version, and this my open this my project. Inside this route, inside this web.php open this URL is a copy product cart. Please check this previous all video, otherwise your mind is a lost of doubt is a create. Your mind is a lost of doubt is a create. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and please follow this all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Anytime contact when I am available 24/7. WhatsApp and Telegram and Skype is always available successfully. This is a for product is a show good working. Let's remove this. This is add cart is not available. View cart inside this is not available. Let's first of all this is the implement one product. This is add to cart successfully. This is a one product is a implementation. Please wait. This is a one product is available good working. This is the implement. Let's click this view. Inside this update is a product. This is a update product is a implementation. First of all this cart file is open. Let's cart file resource view product cart. Inside this is a cart file is available successfully open. This is a cart file. Let's step by step. This is a implementation update product. This is a cart is a implement. This is a id all good. Inside this is a first is a product is a implementation. This is a dynamic id is a implementation. This is a same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a dynamic id. This is a save. This is a update query all good, and this is a name is a set. This is a price. This is a all successfully. This is a quantity. This subtotal. Step by step all implementation. Please check this previous all video, otherwise lost of doubt is available your mind. Let's first of all this is a update cart is a controller. Inside this is same name is a copy. This name is a copy. This name is a quantity name. This is a quantity name is available. This is a quantity value. This value is a show. This is a 1 2 3 4. This is a update. This is a sum is a update. This is a quantity. This 0 and this is a update. Same name is a copy, and inside this is a function is a create. This is a function is a create dollar dot and paste here. This is a name is a paste here. This is a update cart is a paste here. Change function e drive, and this is a implementation. This is a close. This e private default is a implementation. This is e private default is implementation. New variable create variable ele is equal to this means this, and save file. This is update. Let's ajax start $ajax and this is Ajax inside. This is an implementation Ajax save file, and this URL is a implement URL. URL means route is a create. This is a route is a create route update dot cart, and this is the last is a close this method post means path method. This is a different method is a implementation. This is a new method Laravel 11. Data is a set, and this close success function response. This is a response, and this window location loaded. This is a set. All good. Let's data is a implementation. This is a token. This is a token is a successfully implementation. Token after is a data tiered. This is the ID is a set, and this is a already implementation. Please write down. This is the ID is a successfully inside. This is a implementation. First this implementation, after this implementation. Let's next is a quantity is a already implementation. This is a class. This is a tr inside. This is a class is a quantity is a already implementation. This is a quantity. This is a class is a implementation td inside this tr inside td inside this tr inside. This is a all implementation. This is a quantity. All good. This is a all successfully set. Please write down successfully. This is a quantity is a implementation. Same here, copy this route file is open. Route inside this web.php file is available. Let's same here. Inside this is a name and paste here. Successfully paste, and this is a save file. Let's same successfully implementation. This is a name is a same copy, and inside this paste here. All good. Let's new route is a create route path update cart update cart, and the same name is a copy and paste here class, and this name is a set update save file. Good working. This is a fine. This is a method is a name is a path method. This is a same successfully method is a paste here. All good. This is a function is a create. Let's copy, and this is a path cart controller open. This is a controller is a available app http controller inside. This is a controller is a available. Let's same name is a write down. This is a new function. This function is the same. Write down update function, public function, and paste here. This is a public function and paste here. Save file. This is the update function is a write down. If $request ID and quantity and $request quantity, same name is a first of all. This is a ID is a implement, second is a quantity, same name is a paste here quantity. $cart session get, and this is a cart $cart request $ID, same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste here, as it is a paste here. This paste here successfully paste, and the same name is a quantity. This is a quantity is a show same name quantity is equal to $request quantity. Next is a session cart. This is already available session put cart, and this same variable inside this is available. Please write down this same line. And this is a place message, a successfully cart updated. This is a place message. This is a implementation. Save file. And the success message is the implementation. Less implementation layout. Layout inside this is a implementation. This is a success message. Less implementation. First of all, this success message is a implementation. This success message. Yield. This is offset is a 1, and this is a contain. Inside this is a implementation. This if success message and if, and this success message is set. Successfully set. This is a message is successfully implementation. All good. Let's refresh this page. This is cart item is a 1 already available. Let's click this. This is a updated. Good working. Let's click this again. Same name back button. Click this. This is again add to cart, and this is available only 1 item. Let's click this add to cart. Successfully product added to cart, and this is a 2 item is a set. This quantity is a 2. Good working. This is a fine. This is a 2 is a available. Let's again this is a same name is a available. This is a successfully set. All good. This is a fine. Let's click this back button. Let's again this is a 1 add to cart. This is a different. This part cart is a 2 item is a available. This is a successfully 2 item is a available. This 2 inside this 2 this is a only 2 item. Let's view all. This is a message is a show successfully. This is a good. Let's again this same total is a available. This same total inside this is a multiplication total. Good working. This is update cart. Let's again this is a 1 implementation. This is a 3 time is a implementation. This is a 1 item is a 3 time. Successfully message shown. This is a 3 time is a implementation 1 item, and this is a single only 1. All good. This is a quantity is a successfully implementation. All good. Please write down this step by step. This is a successfully implementation. This route is a create. This is a function is a create. Function is a successfully create, and this is a request is a not available. Let's $request, and this is a request. Save file. Let's refresh this page and click this is a 4 2 3 1. This is a refresh this page 5, and this refresh this page successfully 5. This is a available. Good working. Let's is a inside this is a 2. This is a 2, and this successfully implementation 5 record is a successfully implementation. Let's again this is a -1. Let's 1 -1 successfully inside this is a minus. Let's this is only single, and this is a 1, and this is a only 1. All good. This cart update successfully. Let's this again 3, and this is a multiplication automatically show. Let's is inside this 2, and this is a multiplication is a 2 22 inside this 50. Successfully implementation. This is a up and down, and this is a working fine. This is inside this automatically show. Good working. This is a my mistake request is a not a implementation. This is a successfully good. This is a video is a done. This is a update cart is a done. Next video is a implementation. This is a cart item is a delete. This is a delete is a cart item. All good. Please write down this is a video all successfully set. Let's step by step write down. All good. Any doubt, so please contact this my YouTube channel and my official website. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.